Just I'm giving the visualization, right? So think about that. So just like if we have if we are writing like one class, if we are writing the one class, right? If we are writing one class like public class employee, our employee class is no driver class I'm writing, driver class I'm writing that, right? Driver class I'm writing. Not audible, guys, my voice is audible or not? Please let me know that.
Good afternoon.
Okay, please check.
Audible, right?
Please, who Manoj Kumar, please check your net. Okay na? From my side I think the problem is not there. Okay, public class like driver, right? Driver is there, driver is there. Okay, so audible, okay, fine. So driver is there, right? Driver class is there. Inside that driver class, what is there? What is there? Like public, no, sorry, private, um, what is that? URL, right? URL, if we are writing what string URL, right? URL means what? Like URL, what is that? JDBC driver, jdbc JDBC driver, right? JDBC driver underscore driver. We are taking this string, right? Means this is what, just analyze that, right? If we are writing that, and if again what is that? Okay, second one is what? Private string, what is that? URL and URL and what? Driver. No, what is that? Another one is one is the, we are loading the class for name there. What we are giving that? 1 minute. No, username password is that is the to establishing the connection.
Driver manager class.
Driver manager, no man. This is the driver, and after then first we are loading the driver. Okay na? Loading the driver. Okay, leave it. Just I'm taking, yeah, here what? Username. What is that? Username. Username, right? Here just I'm taking what? Scott. Scott username I'm taking, right? After then what is that? Second one is what? Private string, right? String, what is that? String password. Password, right? Password, if we are writing the password here, like root, just I'm taking root only, right? Root. Yeah, manager. Okay, manager. So if we are writing like this, means we are doing the what? Hard coded. If we are taking the setter injection, getter injection, also we are what we are doing? We are writing in the configuration file, right? When we are writing in the configuration file, so for that, this is not right things, right? This is not right things to write the what? To write the this property, right? This property means this data as hard coded format, right? Because this data maybe today our client need what? Oracle database. Tomorrow, because compared to MySQL, right? Oracle database performance is low, right? So tomorrow our client want what? MySQL database. So what will happen? Again rebuild, matlab rebuild. We will undeploy our project if project is live, right? So undeploy. After then what we will rebuild that project. After then we will open the class. After then we will modify that code. Again we will, what we will do now? We will build the project, right? Again we will build the project. After then again we will deploy. This is a very bad, and it's too much costly things also, right? In the real time. For that what we will do now? For that we are using what? Property file, right? Whatever frequently change code are there, right? Whatever frequently change code are there, for those purpose, right? For those purpose, what? Sun Microsystem properties file is there, right? Property, even those things implemented in what? Spring also. Internally our property collection is there, which is the legacy. That one only our Spring also internally use, but don't worry about that. So what we will do now? in the property data will store what? Key and value format, and both are the string only, right? So so for that, in our Spring container, how our Spring container is loading this property file, let's see that. Okay, so let's see that. So now if just think about that, this is our what? This is our property file, right? In that, what we will do now, this is our properties file. So how we will, first we will save it, right? How we will save it? Like, just we will take one name of this file, right? But just we will take one name of this file. What is that? Just I'm taking what? Data or driver. Just I'm taking driver. Oh, sorry, driver, right? Dot. But after then property, this must be extension must be what? Properties, right? So based on this name, means this name can be anything, right? But after dot, right, this must this name must be the same, right? Extension of that file must be properties, otherwise our Spring will not recognize, right? Our Spring will not recognize. In that, what we will do now? Both, right? Both. How we will write? Just we will write URL, right? Here what we will write? URL equal to driver, jdbc underscore driver, right? Driver. After then what is that? After then what is that? Username equal to what is that? Just Scott, right? After then what is that? Password is what? Manager. It means, if today, then if we load this property, right? If we load this property in our class dynamically, right? Then if our project will build, right? Just what is that? Tomorrow, if tomorrow our client need what? MySQL driver, just we will change here only. No need to undeploy the project, rebuild again and again. Okay, so for that, what is that? For that, what we are using? We are using what? Property file. But to performing properties file, right? So to performing property file, we have need to take one annotation, right? So means in our configuration, our Java configuration, how we can load it, right? How we can load it, that property file. So first we have give okay. So how it will load, right? In Java application, in Spring application, our Spring will create one environment. What is that? Environment memory, right? Environment memory. Environment memory. In this environment memory, right? In this environment memory, what will happen? This data, right? This data will what? This data will place, right, in Spring environment memory. From there, what we will do now? Again and again we will read this data, right? Again and again we will read this data to our, what is that? Where in our class this data is required, right? This data is required. We will read again and again this data. Okay, so now environment, to perform these operation, right? We have need how many annotation? We have need one annotation is called what? One annotation is called what? uh, Property source, right? To load this means to load this property file in our Java application, means Spring configuration file. To load, we will use what? Which annotation? We will use, what is that? Property property source. In that, what we will do now? We will pass this property. What is the property name? Driver name, right? Driver dot property. We will pass this what? Driver dot properties name. Totally we will pass it. Okay na? After then what will happen? This property file will load in our what? Configuration, app configuration file. We are writing that, right? So in that, what we will this property file will load in that what configuration. I know that still you people is not getting the point, I can understand, but don't worry. First understand as a diagrammatically, right? And when I will create the project, at the time you people will get total clear picture, right? But just understand, because of that here I'm creating the memory, right? Based on the memory, there I will give the visualization you people. Okay, so now this property, so in our configuration file, what we will do now, this property name we will pass here in this annotation, right? So based on this annotation, what will happen, this property file will load in our what, app configuration file, right? How we are writing that app configuration now, like just I'm writing that. Okay, like 1 minute. Okay, no, still need. Okay, so now in that property file we will load it. After loading that, our spring container will create one environment memory. In that environment memory, all data using key and value format will store, right? So from there environment memory, what is that, we will read the data, and what we will inject our what property means our driver class, right? Our driver class. So in the future, if need to change it, right, change other MySQL driver, right, MySQL driver, then there is no problem in that. Just we will change in the property file, no need to change our in class or anywhere. We don't have need to touch our code, right? Just we will change inside what, this property file, the code, right? And these things is useful for the real time, each and every day, right? Whenever you people will start our career in what, Java, right? Single day also will not go without developing what, without writing a properties file, right? Because we are our architect people, right, design the project such a way, right? They make, so in the future client need to some changes, right? So those changes, our architect people will analyze that, and they are using the properties file, right? Just go inside the property file and change that, and there is no need to what, there is no need to change, make changes in what, any Java application. Okay, so now, so okay, so how we will, how, let's see that, right? How we will develop this application and how we will perform it. Okay na, so let's see that practical. Again I will explain what, because this is the really useful concept, because of that I'm explaining. Okay na, so how we will load in our configuration file using what property, source annotation. In that we will pass that name, right, that name, and based on this one, what is that, our spring will create what, environment memory, right? Environment memory. In the environment memory, that is the interface only, right? That is the interface. Spring is given what, interface. In that, if need, right, we will read the data, using what, the key only, right? If we read the using the key only, what will happen, our this data will come, right? So let's develop the application, and we will see that as a practical, right? Practical implementation, how we can do that, right? So let's create one project now. Okay, so others, now Maven project, new, properties, application property, version is 1.0, right? Now finish it. Okay, yeah, project is created, right? So in that, if we want to work on what, spring, spring, which dependency we have need what, spring context, right? Spring Maven context dependency. So let's go to Chrome. We will copy from what, central repository. So what is that? Spring context Maven dependency, right? Context Maven dependency. Just we will copy from what central repository. What is the required dependency we have need to work on? What Spring. So okay, copy this one. Okay, now come here and go inside that dependency. What we will do now? We will paste it, right? We will paste it now. Okay, after then what we will do now next, we have need what, see J2EE 1.5 version is showing that, right? So we have need what, 1.8 version. So what we will do now, we will Maven compiler we will copy from what, central Apache Maven repository, right? So now just copy this property, and what is that, put inside what, properties root tag, right? Properties root tag. So after then what we will do now, we will go on the project, right click on the project. Today my system is too much slow. Okay, so now go in the Maven update the project, right? Now select force. Now okay, yeah, see in the root class, right? Root path 1.8 version is changed, and whatever spring dependency we have need, all spring dependencies came inside what, Maven dependency. Maven what, Maven root tag. Okay, so now okay, so what we will do now, let's develop the application, right? Let's develop the application. uh, so little bit I want to see the property JDBC. One I want to see that, right? All those things, just actually the application will look like little bit good because of that. Okay, let it be, we will take same only, right? Same only, this URL, username and a password only, right? So what we will do now, so but we will create one what, see here resource folder is not there, but how we will create the resource folder, we will come inside that main, we will right click on the main and a new, what is that, create a folder, right? Create a folder, RESOU, resources, right? In this resources folder, initial day when I was introduced Maven, at the time I was explained, right? I was explained in the resources folder which kind of folder we can take. We can take spring configuration, properties file, images, videos, all those things we can put inside what, resources. Now what we will do now, again right click on the project, new Maven, update the project, select force and update it. So here we will see that, right? After updation, we will see that SRC main resource folder is created now. Okay, na? After resource folder creation, what we will do now? So first I will develop what, hard coded application, right? No, hard coded application. Okay, let's first we will develop hard coded, and then that application we will make as a, using what, properties file, right? So because their clarity, if I develop like this now, then you people will get the more clear picture. Okay, so now okay, so now what we will do now, just delete these things. Okay, okay na. So okay, now right click on that. What we will do now, we will take one driver class, right? We will take one driver class. In that what we will do now, com dot rk dot, what is that, driver. Just I'm taking one driver class, right? Driver, my driver. Today we will we are developer, right? We can take any name, my driver. Just I'm taking what, my driver. My driver. In that what we will do now, just finish it. Okay na. After then we will take what, setter getter. We will take all those property, guys. After 5 minutes this meeting again will end. Don't go, right? Today in the Spring, when I will start Spring Boot frequently, these things is useful for you people, right? So in my point of view, don't miss today's session. This is the today last session, I know that, but too much important for what? Spring Boot, because of that, right? So if you lose, right, when I will use in Spring Boot, because I will not explain again this much depth in Spring Boot, because already if I go again and again this much depth everywhere, right, so the time is wasted. Because of that I'm explaining here, otherwise I can explain directly Spring Boot also. Okay, so but if I explain directly na Spring Boot, then that visualization I unable to give you people, right? So okay, now okay, so what is that first property is what? First property is URL, right? So just we will take what? Private, what is that? URL, private string, right? Private string URL, I'm taking what? URL. Now again, what is that? Private string last one is what? Last one is what? Username, right? Username and password. Username, another one is what? Private, right? Private string, right? Private string password, right? These three data is there, right? Means these three dependencies is there inside what? Our driver class. So what we will do now, just we will take here what I did, because of that here I hard coded, right? But still we are going to do hard code only, but setter injection, getter injection we will use it, because in the configuration file somewhere we will write these things, right? So still that is the hard code only, but I will make you, I will tell how we will use the properties file, right? So come here. Now I'm generating what? Setter getter method. Alt Shift S plus R, right? Alt Shift S plus R. Now select all. After selecting, generate it. Now I'm taking the Alt Shift S plus S two string also, right? I'm overriding two string also. Now our driver class is ready now. Okay, na? Our driver class is ready now. So second one is what we will do now. We will create what? One configuration file, because this is the in the Spring concept. This is what? Bean, right? Spring Bean class. So number of bean equal to number of method, where we will write Spring configuration file, right? So what we will do now, we will create, right click on that folder, again we will create one configuration file, right? So what we will do now? Config. So config, now app config, now application config. Inside that, right, if we want in the yesterday session, if we want to make this class as what? Configuration class, which annotation we will use? At the rate configuration, right? At the rate configuration, just I'm writing normal, right, to show the things you people. After then we will, I will explain all those things, right? Don't worry about that. Step to step we will learn, step to step we will learn. Okay na? So there is no confusion that if we learn the step to step, when and how we can use, right, then the things will become easy for us, right? So now okay, so what we will do now, if we want to make this Java class as a configuration class, which annotation we will use? At the rate configuration annotation we will use it, right? Again, so now next again, so I said that number of bean equal to what is that? Number of method. So what is the method bean name? My driver. So how we will write? Public, right? Public my driver md equal to, right, just I'm taking that return, just return null, I'm returning null. After then setting the data, I will remove the null. Okay na? So my driver md equal to new my driver, right? My driver, inside that we will set the data, right? Md dot what is that? Set, right? Set url, what is that? Just in that oracle driver I will write what? Oracle driver, right? Oracle dot driver. After then next what we will do now? What is that? Md dot what is that? Set, right? Set what is that? Username, just I'm taking what? System, right? Now again md dot what is that? Md dot what is that? Set, right? Set md dot, what is that? Set, right? Set password, right? Set password is what? 123 at the rate something, right? 123 again. This is what password, and we will return back again what? This object only, right? After then returning back this object, what we will do now? If we want to make this what, method as a bean method, right? So what annotation we will use? At the rate bean annotation, right?